Is it possible you can come pee with me again?
What's that?
I don't need a female officer to watch me. I don't want to pee my pants again. Will you come with me outside? You can follow me.
We're literally going to the police department. It's like a mile away.
I'm peeing on your seat.
Right now?
Yes.
Hang on, don't get out. Don't get out. There's a car coming. She's peeing again. Stop! No! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Stop!
Hey, 6, we got one taking off on us. She's trying to drive away. What is your problem?
Hey. Hey, she got back in the car. Get into the unit.
Okay.
Relax.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep that on.
Okay. I will get out. I will literally get out.
Fuck, out of the car!
Get out of the car!
God, stop!
Get your hand off! Get out of the car!
You're gonna get tased!
Get out of the car.
Okay.
You're gonna get fucking...
Okay. Ow!
Okay.